What is up, guys? Gavin here from Gavin's iOS. Well, then you know the drill. We finally got AirTag in the house, so I honestly cannot wait. So let's just roll the intro. Oh, before we begin, I honestly don't want to do that, but I am. You come to my campus, subscribe, like, comment, let's let's just do the satisfying peel, shall we? Oh my gosh, I did it! Gavin, do not freak out like I just seen what. Please do not comment saying, hey. And here we are. Here. Oh, and also we have some paperwork and yeah, whatever. There's some other stuff in the box. Paperwork, we're not going to read that right now. Let's just get with that and just... I cannot believe I am actually seeing this in person. This is so cute, bro. Oh my goodness. Let's just... Dang it, I'm gonna need to find a way. Okay, let's try to do the satisfying peel over here. Or the mic so you can... Oh my gosh, come on. Oh my gosh. Let me just admire, like, how it is. Like, let's just admire, like, this before... Sorry if it's, like, weird, but let's just admire this AirTag before it gets all scratched up. Sorry if the mic is a little wonky, but this is like the AirTag. Like I was like talking about rumors about it, and I did not think I would get this AirTag, but let's lock that battery in place. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I just heard this in person. Okay, let's... Gavin, stop being a fanboy. Oh my gosh, you gotta see this in person, dude. This is so amazing. So let me just update the Apple ID settings. I really do not know what I'll do, but for now, let's look at the options. So no one really went in depth on what the options are, but let me tell you what they are. So you have backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet, or custom name. Oh my gosh, you guys gotta see this in person. This is beautiful. I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna do. Let's see. I don't know, backpack or water bottle. Let's just do backpack for now. Or I honestly have no idea if I want to do backpack or... It's easier. Let's just do backpack or water bottle. Please vote in the comments. Or I would tape this to my water, but I don't know. Backpack. Continue. Okay. Don't look. Gavin's backpack is setting up. Yeah, I'm actually... Oh my gosh, did you just hear that? That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Listen, listen to this. It's gonna play sound soon. Here it is. Oh my gosh. That is so loud. Dude. That is so loud for a speaker that I can't even see. Dude. Sorry if I'm like fanboying right now, but look it. Come on. Can you resist this? Like, this is so cute. Like, how do I replace the battery? I forgot. Like, oh, here we go. You just like push down, twist, and then you take off the top. Push down. I don't know if I'm actually doing anything. Oh, but still, I don't even need to replace the battery. It's fine. Wow. That is all I gotta say right now. And you know what? Let me just show you how the precision finding works. I'm gonna hook it up to a different phone. I'm actually filming with my mom's iPhone 11, and let's. Oh my gosh, I think you can still see some scratches. Oh my gosh, or fingerprints. I don't know, but yeah, let's just see what happens. All right, so that is it. The just AirTag demo. So yeah, I guess I'll just see you guys in the next one. Peace.